Guys, what is happening with the Bitcoin price? Because right now, the Bitcoin price is once again dumping back towards the downside. And in this video, we will be talking about the important levels to look out for this dump, what we could expect in the next couple of days for the Bitcoin price, and also what is my current game plan for the entire crypto market. Am I buying, am I holding, or am I selling my crypto? All of that will be discussed in today's Bitcoin update video. So today we will be talking about the daily time frame charts, and right now the Bitcoin price is dumping back towards the downside, and I'm sure that some of you are panicking right now. You are afraid that you may lose more money, but let me try to calm your nerves down a bit, because I'll be talking about the reason why we are seeing Bitcoin dump right now. So the reason why we are seeing Bitcoin dump right now is because Bitcoin has recently touched a key resistance zone right here, and we recently got rejected. So the reason why we're dumping right now is because we got rejected at resistance. Therefore, we are now seeing the selling pressure get activated for the Bitcoin price, and we are dumping to the downside. But the most important topic right now you all are waiting for is what are the important levels to look out for the Bitcoin price, because all of you already know that we're dumping right now, but what are the important levels to look out for this dump? So first of all, we have the next support zone right here, as you guys can see. If we do zoom out a bit for the Bitcoin price, you can see that the Bitcoin price has been supported or has bounced off of this exact level, because this is a support zone. Therefore, in the next couple of hours, I'm expecting that the Bitcoin price may still continue to dump towards the downside, because there is no key support level lying around this range right here. So in the next couple of hours, still prepare for more downside, because I'm expecting more downside for Bitcoin until we do touch this next support level at around $60,000. So that is why brace yourselves, because I'm still expecting more room towards the downside in the next couple of hours until we do see Bitcoin touch $60,000 as support, and maybe from here we may see Bitcoin have a bounce off of this exact price level. Again, the level to look out for in the shorter time frames is $60,000. This is the next support level to look out for, and I'm expecting a bounce from this level. So far there is nothing to worry about for the Bitcoin price. It still looks pretty healthy, to be honest with you, and the dump we're seeing right now is completely normal, because to be honest with you, since February we have seen Bitcoin have this nice rally towards the upside. So a dip or a pullback is completely needed in order to continue this healthy uptrend. So right now I have nothing to worry about, and I am still holding on to my altcoin positions. Now let us talk about the weekly time frames. So if you have watched my previous Bitcoin video, I have already discussed the two scenarios I'm expecting in the next couple of weeks for the Bitcoin price. And for those of you who haven't watched yet, I'll be reiterating them right now. So in the weekly time frame, we have two scenarios right here. The first scenario we're expecting is the more bullish one, and that is that in the next couple of weeks we may see Bitcoin essentially trade within this range between support and resistance, until at some point we will see a breakout of resistance eventually. And once it happens, we're going to be having a retest, and then we're going to be flying towards the upside and continue the bull run. But the second scenario is the more bearish one, and that is that we could see Bitcoin continue to dump towards the downside to new lows right here, to around $52,200, because that is where this previous order block is located at. So this is a support level to look out for. It's a key support level. And yeah, scenario 2 essentially is that we could see Bitcoin dump further down towards the downside to 52.2K, scoop up some liquidity over here, and then have a nice price reversal back towards the upside and continue the bull runs. So the range to look out for scenario 1 is $69,000 and $60,000. This is the range between support and resistance, and I'm expecting Bitcoin to trade within this range for scenario 1 until we do see that final breakout to the upside, which would help us continue the uptrend. But for scenario 2 is that we are expecting a deeper pullback to the downside until we touch 52.2K, scoop up some liquidity over there, and continue this bull run towards the upside. So essentially, in the longer time frames, if we do zoom out, there is nothing to worry about still. When in doubt, zoom out. We are still intact for higher prices in this crypto cycle, and I'm expecting the top to be around 150k for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, I'm still holding strong to my altcoins, and I believe that we are still about to see the true bull run for the Bitcoin price, and getting shaken out right now could possibly be a bad idea, because I believe that what we're seeing right now is possibly the last opportunity to scoop up on these levels right here before the next leg towards the upside. So yeah, definitely in my personal opinion, I would not get shaken out right here, and I would use this chance to essentially load up on high conviction altcoins, and also maybe load up on some Bitcoin. Also, I would like to tell you guys, so we are about to go through one of the biggest bull runs of our life, and if you're serious about making life-changing wealth in this market, you can no longer do this alone. You need a group of people. You need a network of people who would supply you with value, who would supply you with information, and who would help you spot opportunities in this market, and that can only be accessed in my private networking group over in Discord. This is called the Swan Group, where I release weekly market insights and updates. The reason why our members are growing rapidly is because all we do is provide value with one another and help each other elevate in this market. So if you're not in this group yet, you're missing out. So be sure to join through the link in the description and act now.